digital applications for August 14th. Let me get to the right screen. All right, so yesterday on Thursday, this is your activity guide for the aluminum boats. So you need to read through and follow directions. This is what it should look, similar to what it should look like. So you're going to be filling it out in paragraphs, and you're going to test your boat today. So you couldn't do your test your boat part until today. Right, so then you're going to evaluate and improve and see how that can do better. What happens? Answer these questions. So some of this test your boat, these questions are going to be after the fact. All right, so develop a plan. So again, try it again. How many to hold the second time? Reflect back upon what you did. All right, so you're going to use your problem-solving process to define a problem, come up with your options, come up with a plan, and then implement your plan. So make a boat and then test it, and then reevaluate it and try for a second time. So this is similar to what it looks like. Notice this one doesn't have any pictures, so just fill it out and submit it. Now the other thing is that in Canvas, when you are when you're trying to open this document that I added in the assignment as a external tool, which is in your OneDrive, you're going to have to do a couple things. So I'm going to go to Student View here real quick, and so when you're in yours, before you can open an external tool for any of your classes, over here it should say Office 365. And it doesn't. So real quick, let me get out of this and put it back in there for you. But what's happening is the reason you can't open those files is because you're not connected to your OneDrive. So because when you try to open those files that your teachers share with you through those through there, let me pull it back up here, I'll put it up where you can see it. So it's not connecting because it wants to download those external files straight to your OneDrive, and it'll save it so that then it will submit correctly. All right, so let's go back to the student view, and then you can see the Office 365 is here. So you're going to click on it, and it should bring you to a sign-in screen and log in to using your school email and your password, and it will log you in. Okay, it won't me because I'm already logged in and I can't log in through Student View, but that's what you have to do because Ashley was having some trouble. So make sure you log into your Office 365 through here, and then you can go back to the module and find this assignment right here and be able to click into it. It doesn't come up because it should be right here. It's a aluminum boat paperwork. You should be able to, it should just load right up for you right here. Okay, any other questions, make sure you shoot me an email. Make sure you stay on task, get your stuff turned in. Our next Zoom meeting will be on Monday at 9 a.m. So there's one required per week. So make sure you get clicked in there so I can help you out. Have a great day.